Greetings, all Shard Vixen here, and this is Paper Trail, and I'm going to make fabric paper. I've never done this before, so this is my piece of fabric I'm going to do. As you can tell, it's starting to wear out. This is when I first started my channel. This was my shirt I wore. Okay, so how they showed this is you take a piece of fabric. And you're going to basically, I've never done it before, but you're basically going to make a decoupage. So, I just brought that over. Okay, so I have this really pretty pink paper, but we're going to start with the napkins first because we're going to give it a coat. And apparently you're supposed to give it a couple of coats, so we'll see how this works. They used a paintbrush. I'm going to use a sponge. I've never done this before, and I don't know if like certain fabrics work better than others. I mean, they said so, but you know. And they said in pieces, so if anybody's ever watched me do any of this, I like to do it in bunches, but we'll do it in pieces. It's fine. it and I'll be back after it dries. After it dries. It's y'all. When it dries. When it dries. When it dries. Okay, so here's the thing. It didn't turn out quite the way it was supposed to. It did stick here, and it's nice and it's like a paper on this. But this part, whereas it stuck to itself, didn't really stick to this. So I'm going to try it again, and we'll share it. I'll share it when I'll make another video of it and do it again. And we'll just use tissue paper, not this. Because even though this is tissue paper, I'm thinking the back side is too slick to adhere to the tissue paper. So I have different kinds of stuff. And like I said, I like to experiment. So that's it for paper trail. And I will catch you all on the flip side. I'm out of here. Peace.